up guys, Brian with SoCo Customs. Today we have a new build for you, 2020 GMC Sierra AT4 that we sent up 4 inches on the rough country kit. This gentleman came all the way up from New Mexico to get the job done by yours truly, and we were thankful for that. Let's dive into this build. This is the 4-inch rough country kit. Now parts wise, this is identical to the 6-inch kits that you would get on the standard Sierras and Silverados. Just given that these AT4s and Trail Bosses have that 2-inch lift from the factory, it will only provide about 4 inches of lift on top of that. So just note that if your parts are coming through and they are labeled with the 6-inch kit boxes. He did upgrade to these new monotube shocks that Rough Country is doing. They compete with the likes of Fox for a fraction of the price. We were very impressed by them. Monotube shocks will provide a little bit more of like a performance ride to them, so you won't get any extra movements when you do hit those big expansion joints or when you're doing more high-speed off-roading, washboard roads, etc. The wheels are the 20x10 XD Grenades. They are a 20x10 with a -24 offset, so you can see what sort of stance that provides. And of course the tires are the Klever RTs. These are a 35-12-50. These are one of our favorite tires. It'll bridge that middle ground between an AT tire and an MT tire, so you'll be able to get the livability of the ATs with the off-road performance of the MTs. All right guys, Brian with SoCo Customs. Give this video a thumbs up, give us a subscribe, give us a follow on the other platforms, and we'll see you in the next video.